raising $30,000 US dollar. And I need everybody to donate so I can use that money, pay lawyer fees to clear up all of this energy. So I'm seeking 30,000 US dollar. All of the royal family agree, say, me should, all right? Me just get, bumbo clot, all right? See, me just get the first $50 there. See there, me just get the first 50, you see it? All right. So we'll minus that $50 there out, minus that $50 for me out of the $2,000. Where the people in my check then? So ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to raise $30,000. Out of the $30,000, are starting to gain $2,000 today. Out of the $2,000, we reach $50 already. I am asking the people, the real support of the riot. Okay, $50 again. So we get $100. So we get, see, another $50. See?
Yes, bossy, I made that sense.
Jamaican first 50. Thank you very much. That's another 50. So that's $100 we're gone. So we are all right. Wanna check for me, people. Wanna check. We are raising $2,000 out of
Bring in RT.
Boss, me send to me already now.
Hold on, Vanessa, $100 from
RT.
Vanessa. We're gonna cash up. Okay,
Boss, me send mine already.
Hold on. Take your time with me. Take your time with me. Oh, okay, I'm so excited. Okay, take your time with me now, man, please. People. Hold on. Nikki.
Bossy, you know
that. Hold on. Take a break. Take a fucking break. Hold on. Serious, no joke. I have to check it. If you give me the money, so it's not gonna be so. Hold on.
RT.
We have to check it together. Hold
RT.
on. We have to check it together. Hello?
This is the glasses.
Okay, that's the glasses I buy you. Okay, stay there. And all right. Look, people, take a picture of that glasses, the headline. This girl come to me to help over Miss Blinger. She said she have an eye problem. She can't say. How much was it for the glasses?
56,000.
And I give you that cash. Big pussy bling, do that. Big brass clap.
Lord Jesus. Scratch and correct.
No, may I repeat it. Miss Bling, I'm gonna call you Big Pussy Bling. So Big Pussy Bling and Big Dirty Blood Clot Spice. You're all done. God, it's about to come out dishing. Mama.
I can't bother.
More body. More.
Bossy, make your mouth up.
No, you see, because he did say something about blinger, so it just come out sleep. I sleep him out sleep.
Go back.
Your mouth sleep RT.
Alright, go back now. I already know. Big up Bling. So with the picture, right? With the glasses right there, so it's 56,000. Me pay for it. She said she have eye problem. That's how you go, darling. Explain to them real quick.
Yeah, man. I did sick with my eye. If me can't turn on the camera, me gonna make you see my eye red. Because sometimes when I use my phone or when I work, my eye me sick with my eye, so I go test my eye, doctor, and RT pay for the glasses for me. So big up that. Big up the royal family. Big it up right through.
Big old spice now do that, you know. Plunger old spice, fucky spice. Bing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, pussy. Nah.
So big up RT. Right this song.
Come up here, thank you.
What them say, what?
So me get pay if you come up cause say that.
Tell them say them spice need to pay somebody if you come say that too.
Then out of that.
Alright, when we go back to the money. We go back to the calculation. Vanessa, me call out your name. You know me have to call out your name because I don't want you the rest. So you don't have to respond. Alright, so just mute the darling. We could talk about the money. So Vanessa send $100 and Chrissy send $50 and Crystal again sell $50. So you know the name. So let me do a check now. 250 plus the where we did have in the first. These are 250 plus the first $250. So 250. So we have 450.
350.
Okay, Marshall Lewis, we just received $50 in a PayPal. I'm gonna pull it up. Let me pull it up. You see me just say me get $50 in a PayPal. See it? All right. So the money are coming. So add now. Let's add. Check. Everybody check. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're wondering what's going on, I want you to share and tap up the screen. And if you're wondering what's going on, let me go now heads up what's going on. And I need everybody's in this with me. You know I am an honest man, and I'm gonna use this as my energy and my character for fight for. And we need money. Listen, Ivani, money when we raise 25,000.
Say, I want to give a special shout out to RT boss. I know everybody hate RT for what reason. I don't know. But RT has been so good. Like, what that? That nice, man. Yeah. But I just want to say big up to RT because RT boss collects $25,000. What did we get $25,000 now? RT boss collect 25,000 of me and my brother said, "Come on, take no $100." He not even take $100. No, it me, my love. Hey, I need the behind bars. I want 250. Come on, my love, me not. And no lie still. Thief will always be a thief. Time for your lying with thief. Me not say you don't come in and me not give a thing. Me give you money and but RT not even take $1 from money. Say, I want to give a special.
Alright, so watch her now. That Ivania, she do it over and over. She never have to do it so much time. From she come out, she do it. All this what she do too much. Because she been a say it. Alright? The respect she been a show it. Alright. Now, that a she, I am in problem now. Me want 30,000 to help me. Because me have to go through legal problem as well. So what do you mean by that? Because all of these allegations, we have to fix it. We have to fix it. So me need help. So I want to say this. We're going to go to the show. I'm going to hear people. But at the same time, I want you keeping in the comment to make you know we are doing it. We are, you see it? I doing it. Me using it. We are raising $30,000 to help RT clear his name. And in the meanwhile, I am asking you guys, we're starting today, and the first start we start is $2,000. How much you got out of $2,000 already? And then we start, and then we move from this before we start talk. How much you got out of the 30,000 already? Out of 2,000, we should say. We could start it, break it down. $2,000. How much you got?
What do you say? 450, right?
450. How much more we need?
Out of $2,000?
$100 from Altia, right? 100. Sorry for calling the whole name. $100. Put that in.
So 1450 now, 1450 needed.
Okay, let me say this, ladies and gentlemen, I really adore you. I appreciate you. Let me tell you why I am doing this. Everybody know from heaven to earth say, me can find something, sell more, find something, borrow money or what. But you know why I do this? I sit down and I say to myself, look how much people may help, look how much people may do things for. Like, I'm not putting no pressure upon nobody. If me go there and tell people them say more money for lawyer fee and them donate, more to fix things because me have money problem, because them want my business go down, my reputation. And me say, look how much people me help. All of these people when me help, me know if everybody put a little money, me good to go. Me no need for stress because me know me help a lot. So when people hear the money, me no want to feel like, you know, me I take the money and then I scam energy. More want the people to know that people love me. Just like them see me collect $25,000 for Ivani. And them I try bring me down and them I tell people not to support me and I tell people not click the live. I want the message to go through for say him fans them and people give him 30,000 for help him with him situation under one motto: innocent until proven guilty. Because the man help with. So I am asking for your assistance and I need every blogger, I need everybody to put it on your For You wall if you can, even though the queen tell you not to do it. But let me go see now. Let me see, yeah, my time now. Let me see how much blogger put this on their For You wall. Let me see after today when me say this, how much blogger go put this on the For You wall. Let me see if you not go post it, just like how the queen, let me see if I have look power too. So with that said and done, I am looking $30,000 to deal with this legal fee. I know scam and no general there. Let me tell you, this is defamation of character, and we need the money to pay the lawyer for sue every more blood clot we have money. And I have a case, because I'm not a pedophile. You feel me? Copy? Look at my face. Let me show you something. Look at my face. Look at my bone structure. Don't you see confident in my face to know that I'm not shaken by the fuck these people say, because I know in my heart that no go so. You know what I go on right now as we speak? I'm a house me there again. The man them come a paint again. Construction me house under. I ain't got no time for you fuckers. Look at my face. Do I look worried? Do I look troubled? Do I look like I'm fretting? Do I look like I have something to worry about? Me eye them, you can see it. Me eye them in a hole, which is them always in a hole still, so you even know if them in a hole differently. I'm just saying, I'm not bothered, I'm not troubled. I'm good. First of all, fuck pretty woman. So me don't know why the blood clot do not make ugly man run out. And good God do not show man come give me. And when you talk about blood clot, ninja turtle, who know would me say good God. Yes, even if you want to say I about man with class. Me not think I that fuck them a crocobait here. This a old tough yeah, man will look like a them virgin pumpkin. Man will look like he come from the Arawak Indian. Don't never using this question to say, well, even if Archie about man, but not go fuck everything because man look like him for class. So me no feel like for Archie with a fuck that the monkey they are try fina that they old jury. But me no sister uno no give me no standard in a nothing. You see? Uno no give me no standard in a no. Uno just no rate me none at all. Uno no rate me none at all. Uno even say. Him would even say this a man that tough like a virgin pumpkin. Why would this Archie? Now, listen. People are drunk.
Archie, you know so my grandfather did Saturday night.
Oh my God, but I can't help you right now with no donation, but my condolences, me they are war.
Yeah man, me understand.
Look, I can't help alone, you come here for, because...
No sir, me there on that live. And that live, I'll listen for you all time. When you're bling at the pan live, all Sunday with the mix up. Me there right under them, no move. I will not tell Spice to go so mother. Me there right underneath, man. Me always, even if you don't add me, me still me underneath here watching you right through.
And that, but now, you know, it's okay, mama. Alright, people, remember them I watch, you know. I want to know this, you know. Remember people I watch, everybody I watch. And they want to know the 30,000 are going. They not track it. Most of you guys don't have it. Me know. All you need is your love. The one them who are listening, when you can't find it, when you're not gonna find it hard to give me $50, donate towards the energy. It is in need. You see, you are help me. This is like when I say to you, let's do sword seed, lime water, anything in that energy, because we are the spirituality. I help everyone. But in this case, you are help me with legal matter. Now, why am I come up with this situation? When the queen decides that she's getting money, she using legal team to bring out the scandal where she find problem to get the people them to come get lawyer. That's what she step on her line. Now, me now realize that these people are saying things and I get people involved to become a witness, peer people. So we have to be on our alert and have the 30,000 in place so that we can move on the topic of spice. We're not on the topic of Momo. So I need this $30,000. So I'm asking you, please, if you care about me, help me in two ways. Donate or support. One or the two. Send on a request now. One I send now in the box. One I say we can talk now. Talk. Alright. Bestie, anybody there here? Cause right now let me tell you this. Me not argue with nobody else unless you're 100% bestie. Bestie, me and Una in this war together. And one thing I want to know the bestie is to understand. Una war can go everywhere and I mix up everybody in the war. The war is between me, you, and Spice, bestie. Why would you walk on people live and I give it a little hype? Remember this tragedy. If you are going to give Gracie hype to other people, make them relevant, you only are water down Gracie. That's the bossing law. So what you need to do is only stay under Gracie live when Gracie come, and you not bring me down. When you walk and go other people live and I listen them and I'll say, yeah, and bring me down, you only make me overthrow Spice. You only make me get big like her. Because me a screw up on YouTube today and I see an international media pick it up. And I said to myself, say, you believe in the breadth of my life that's living. This woman called me a pedophile and she's the queen of dancehall and she's a celebrity. And she called me a pedophile and she posts 2 videos of man's allegation stating that me have sex with them and she not have no evidence and she take up the video and run with. You feel like say me gonna miss this one opportunity?
No way.
So you feel like me gonna use this one opportunity where Spice use our platform and tarnish my name and say that me fuck 15-year-old. Me must only sit down and don't do nothing and just say this is for clout? When she got the pedophile route, it not benefit me. So the fact that it not benefit me, that's where the law come in. Because no big pussy girl will walk and fuck the whole dancehall community. I'll Gully Bob come back alive and I give you the correction from the death angel about your pussy. Cause from my born in a dancehall, I never see no girl pussy make a dead man have to come back and resurrect from the dead and unleash your file. Not even Shana Chin pussy couldn't rise back. Gully Bob not even married. But Gully Bob have to rise from the dead to come read your pussy right.
90.
And you want to come for me with an allegation.
Yeah, brother.
Let me tell you this, people. Spice, I'm going to say something to you, Grace Latoya Almenton. Big up yourself. I gain success through your wicked dirty heart. I glad the day you take up this case and put it on your life. I always tell you one thing. You think with your pussy. No. Think with your pussy. You feel like I threatened when you take up that case? You feel like money are coming. Never talk about that. Give me a second. You feel like me threatened? I am a happy man to know you are the one who take up a false allegation to bring me down. I hear the Jamaican people always say, you don't have no sense. And me say you don't have no sense. You believe me going to use this one opportunity where you use your platform and call me pedophile. I know from heaven to earth. Listen to me. If I sell every blood clot me have ya so, I'm coming at you. Because that's a threat to my identity. You as a queen of dancehall. First, there's going to be a cease and desist. It is on its way. It will reach her within 2 days. Grace Latoya Almenton at Atlanta, Georgia, apartment such and such, lot 6. Cease and desist order send and the allegation. Let me tell you how it go. First, you have to send a cease and desist order to tell her to stop. Then, when she receives it by mail, then the copy goes straight to the court. When the copy goes to the court, then the lawyer, you have to give it some months. Then the lawyer file for the defamation of character. And it's a process. In this case, she's claiming that I have sex with a 15-year-old, where she don't have no evidence, but she used her platform to broadcast that. No dunce, no there. She also take up the man named Bruno. She take up Bruno where I do research that Bruno is a high educated madman. I never meet Bruno in my life yet. So she take up Bruno and she take up the go through argument and she don't know nothing about it. But because she does, I am not going to meet, and this is what I want everybody notice. When Spice take up the allegation, when she take it up, when Spice take up the allegation, when she take it up for do, now bring me down. May I ask you now? I'm asking somebody so. The allegation when she take it up for do.
Now for bring it down?
Yeah, bring her down. Bring her right down to zero.
So, if me take it up back, you don't have to say no,
No.
Exactly.
Okay, my rest my case. You don't come up come talk. Because she have to prove who me fuck. Momo never couldn't prove. But she have to prove, and both me, she, and the boy have to go court.
Exactly.
We have to prove it.
Right, that's a boss.
That's true.
No
I'm going to
sense.
say this. Anything that happen to my life, I know before it happen. I talk it in my house, and God lucky for me talk it here. So I look out and I tell you no. I go to the lawyer, the liar tell me money and a whole heap of money that. And I need you guys to understand something. Me need a big fish because me I go do one home, me I go get my money back because them broke. Anyway, when you see somebody have name, when you record it, bring it come. Because once somebody have name, take it up, then it better for me can get back my money. You know that me tell you.
A long time you said that.
I always say that, bossy. And that's why when
Don't say
You
you
know
don't
why
miss no
I
money.
speak like this? Because I know for a fact that's not no go so.
And
There's
that's
no
why when
question, no
she
dead
come
thing.
with him, I said, boy, that woman had just get trapped. Lord God.
You know, see me
I believe your
He
boss.
said that
I
woman
believe
had
so
just
not
get
do.
trapped.
A lot of
And
them
boss
are
said,
fine.
nah, take no
Say,
little
look at
fry.
the big fish where we
A
get.
big fish she want, and she not have no sense, because the whole of the idiot them with the run
No
behind and talk
sense.
about, oh, you're mad over Spice. You don't have no sense. You don't know,
You can't
since that
believe
woman
she
just
go
take
grab
up
for that.
something when
No,
I
but
make
here
no
what happened
sense.
now. May I tell you how it go? May I use common sense. Listen, common sense. Now she know she take up hot water and people tell her a wrong move.
Yes.
She go and contact Momo privately if you contact the boy according to them. Try to get the boy on the side to come speak even on Fair Live or some platform. But that's tell you no women know she depend because that's common sense.
Yeah.
Try to get the boy to come on our platform, come speak, and then use that with Jamaica for care for bring the boy. You understand me? I say, to say as a bring down, to say she has stand with the boy, to kill the whole argument and everything want go on now. So she that try to finish you. Listen to me I say no. She that want use this where she get as the allegation. To finish use it, clean up all the mess where she start with the tea time, and then she can get her Grammy and her excitement. That's a fair thing. But what she never know say, me never do it.
Right.
But Master she eat that because she never even listen. She don't know this. She don't even know the story. She just jump on YouTube and draw for the clip. Because no, she says she gonna pay the boy. She gonna send for the boy to Jamaica. If she listen to the fucking recording, it clearly
Just get
the
$50,
girl say
$50.
a Florida and live and him never know say you there Florida.
Florida
So
and
you
live.
left Florida now.
All right,
600.
tune in with the tune in with the cheese with the boy, my here. Go over there.
We're at 1400 now, right?
Okay, hold on.
Tune in with me here, what I say.
Bossy,
Eh?
you're good.
You're good, man.
Okay, make sure.
Yeah, I'm good, the darling. I stand firm in the Gideon. Hey, the people that watch me long time know me used to this. Let me hear.
Man, once the report him another system, man.
And I've been knew about it for years, Cheese, and I've been saying it to Momo. And one day Momo said he got up out of his sleep crying to me. He looked me in my face crying, and I said, oh my God. I couldn't hear him, but he hysterical. I think he was a big man when it happened. And that's when I found out he was 15 when he was talking on the recording.
Okay, yeah, so the recording you heard, Spice,
Where the boy? The boy know over there.
the knee cheese, all of us playing over here from...
No.
No,
Why
the
they?
mad one
No,
from
no,
Canada, boss.
Benno, the Benno boy over there.
No, I mean none of the
I was
people
like,
them when them say me touch no come out here.
No accuser no over there, but the
Because that's
fraudulent
sexuality. I
Benno
don't really care about that.
from
I'm used to work with it, like, horse and shit
Yeah,
stuff.
alright. So hear the question me ask. Can I get too much answer? Just be quiet a little bit. Hear the question. the person them where them say, me molest, the one with the both of them, how much of them come out and say that?
The only one person me see over there will call up your name about you that look him a Benno.
But Benno's story doesn't make no sense to me because Benno never say me fuck him. Benno I say
Exactly.
Benno I say me did I look him. What Benno do doesn't make no sense because the moral of the story, everybody I try to fit.
No.
Somebody said 2 person. Which 2 person?
No, over there. I say I report them I go file now.
Let me hear the live, bro.
1, 2. But I have to know what going because from when Una did make it come out and then she reach out to him and the bagga when little boy come back to Melo. What you mean?
Melo, I found her page. I found the messages she sent you that time too.
And that's not his mom.
Pussy no, put in a big scream and pussy.
His mom, that's his brother that died son.
Lunch. Jeez, you know me no know if you use that something. Yeah, you put me
press the camera and press save. Then you're gonna press the green screen something. Then you're gonna select the picture. Don't select the nudity.
That's what I said to her. You know my phone and the manners.
I mean, I tell you that's what I'm saying.
What woman would send a 15-year-old son with a man to a hotel?
To give him directions.
It's who make Benno don't talk. Benno know what
yeah, man. Go and do the thing, man. I like how it work. That's good.
Right. That me I tell them. It work good.
Effects. I don't know how to...
It's called Talk Your Truth Wednesday, baby.
It's not...
Press save. You have to turn on the camera first.
It's about the lady.
God, they say Spice and them coming. Spice and she coming with the other boy.
Probably he told her she's not walking in if she's giving the boy.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Benno, can I ask you a question? How old were you at the time them kill Humphrey? Not tell me down, I mean, put it back in that big screen.
I don't have much memory of Humphrey.
So that means you're really young then?
So I was pretty young.
Okay.
But my entire family, my mother's side of family, because we grew up, you know the house, the yard with the right in at the center.
RT boss, you must go down. You're streaming.
Oh, sorry.
Mother in the work. Find here, black find here.
So, right in the yard they grew up. So I always hear them grow up at that about
somebody, I go get to the little boy. You're mad unless we never know. Yesterday we go over there. I'm tired. The little boy is from work at Zeus Network at RT himself black me guys. Remember me have a screenshot. RT the host black me. Why you black me? Why you black me? Don't the boy can you list black me? Why you black me? Why you black me? Don't the boy can you list black me? Why you black me? Why you black me? Don't the boy can you list black me? Why you black me?
Sorry guys.
He has a group chat that he's telling the people that he's gonna call all yesterday the man talks.
He can call immigration on me. You can do whatever you want to do. I done you nothing.
The man was panicking so bad that he started to tell the people them say me and you both are illegal.
This area.
And they must call immigration. He's telling them to call Uber from me. Uber did do a background check on me yesterday. I screenshot and put that up 3 o'clock. So wow, work.
You're there. Yeah. Them at work.
So
we can call the people on me, the immigrations and stuff. Because you know what? Last time I checked, I don't engage in no form of
no man. I started this.
Jokes, right?
God want me to go down the road here. And if me have to lose anything, I'm willing to lose for justice for that boy. Yeah. I am a victim of molestation.
Right. And I'm with you 100.
That's why I never play with him when him talk about up on the court.
100.
You see when Spice played a record in the other day, me say, yeah man, remember say we over here beat out, we got me on the cheese.
What you mean? Remember we've been a send out the word and him come and said about lie them a tell.
When Mr. Bino go lie
them a lie.
I mean, I say,
we are tell lie but you broke 36 coconut.
That make me and cheese, so if it
that shows too much madness.
What the hell?
Yeah, 36
coconut for me, spice and blood clot.
One of them and I bust up somebody and a red label wine.
I see them call nurse born job they know. I don't know what do these people.
Me and she's supposed to dead 3 Sundays.
Them call nurse born job for what? For what? Them a do a lucky trendsetter.
Yeah, I'm losing work.
Not followers.
Call them something there.
Look when I try follow for bring down people and then they expect people like really want their own people like Uno. No man.
God, I wait name them a work for. So I can always get another job.
All the skeleton them in a Ezekiel watch through my classic and put on flesh on them. No skeleton in the mic. So nobody can come to me.
Bad to bad, Nurse Brown was the
talk your truth.
I don't want you to address nobody. I want you to come address me. You understand? And me you used to look.
Exactly. That the man said.
Me and you used to exchange batty and cocky picture. So come out. Come address me. That one thing I can tell you, no, Medan. See when you're be a good, you know. Because you know who you play with. So play good. Because you know me not play.
Gather mother, gather your mother, your father, brother, gather.
All I would know, me know my work. I mean, I'm not this as long as you. You understand?
See, it's a promotion in my look, a spirituality. It's a promotion in my look. When you see what I do?
You've been saying that he's a do spirituality. So you don't say why I do, because you say him have on your ring already.
Because him just say you come to him for and you tell him say oh him powerful and him can do things and him I tell you say no he doesn't do that, so now how him I come and say something different. We can't bother.
Make him know
So when he go say him and him man they on phone for days, for weeks.
No, we want to listen to him storyline and then we decide from this. I could go and listen to it.
How the woman them sit down in the year of 15-year-old a ball for Grape. They go say, oh the boy a liar. You don't even sit down to them and say, what is your side?
Always happen.
Bossy, what your side of the story?
Even in the house.
I know he don't acknowledge how he know the boy or anything but me a lie. What?
About a lie. No, he say don't know the boy. Oh, you're talking about the 15-year-old boy. He say no know be no.
Dirty and nasty bring her
over. No know be. He say no know be no.
I'll bring her over there when bring him the stuff.
Dirty big no.
Benna, you used to live a villa, Benna? You used to live a villa?
Tower Hill.
So you know my in-law when you're Blasty then? Blasty and Granny Boy. You never hear them name there. Blasty and Winnie Bud. Now laugh. Remember me tell us I know where I come from. Remember me an original Malas. Alright, so make my mute again.
Him never meet Benna.
When the
when say him never meet Benna in life. Him wicked.
Let me not just tell you the man. And me I tell you no say the man left from Spanish Town and come at Tower Hill. No people from Tower Hill and Tower Hill know Nardo Smith from Tower Hill used to come and mother not eat fasting table at daytime and Wednesday.
He might call me liar for months now and all me do a play a recording of the boy talking. So you can't pay them that mind. Make him you don't stop that.
Jay, if you know Grand Boy, that's one thing. You know him, Jay.
Benna shame and kill that worse you come out.
Dead him a dead over there yesterday when
the boy him still live down in the lane or him did left and him gone back up fire or did they go did that fire one time?
Two granny boy you have in a Benna. You have one on the bus, that pretty granny boy, the brown one.
I have one with a big
tower.
Yes, bro.
Oh, the black clap me a little. Oh, yeah, a little.
Say that again, Benna.
Here, fuckery.
One with a big thing.
He crap the match up, boss.
One from tower. Now, because of the brown tall one with the hole in the forehead.
Come on, enough is the focus.
Alright, let me mute. Keep focus, Benna. We talk.
When you drive the bus, him have the bus.
Yeah.
We know we are.
Yeah, you must know if a tower you come from.
No, we are.
Right now, sit down, yeah, watch.
You know enough people about earwax because them me keep to myself.
Of course, them a listen.
Yeah, man, make them listen. Yes, me don't want them to listen. I want them to join the live. Make them join the live.
Never do that. Them not join the live.
Me reach out.
I teach them like dogs.
Me reach out.
You can't come join the live. You dog shit, yo.
Reach out to me over here, so why not come up with this guy? Remember, I want me come and play photos with him and tell him I really make a federal report. I not play no courthouse with him.
You're a guy, Moa. You're a guy. Tell her, when I go text her, I say, I want fair guy. Fair guy. Another one, yeah. Fair guy. That's a fair guy.
I'm not stay long, but I said something now.
Yeah, hold on.
Where village me come from? Everything where you talk are facts.
Yeah, there.
Village me come from, elbow. Hear it? That's how I want. Everything you talk of.
Man's from here, Sean.
Master, this is the one where jump on the wall of our live. My live, royalty live, everybody live. Come. One cheesy blaster with the wall out and call up our name for. Every time we go live, he jump up in our bags. He switch up in profile picture them.
Batman RT boss. You know, nobody associate me with RT boss.
You mute, bossy.
That's the one where say, in a pit na side of me and cheese him say.
Yes.
Lord. None of them are credible. Not one.
Me and them used to dep on live. I bling and me dep on live with an RT boss come over and he talk say, yo, blam them. Like, oh yeah, the people, me know why you there, you know. I say, me know I did that with no Batman. You know, so me I say. So everybody will think so me an RT boss associate. Me no know RT boss, so I know it. And I bring me in my box. I'm realizing him bring me in my spice business, casa. I'm involved in there. And me I come here now and me I change up everything. And me I make you know say, yo, me no know RT boss, so I know it. RT boss is a Batman. I'm Batman RT boss. This man in my call me in a box. With him I want big pussy girl from Instagram. Where me don't even know. I mean go in there, me not gonna put up the argument. You not going to the box. Dirty girl. You don't know your friend, I'm not going on a box. So RT boss, they clear my name. I spice me say, I mean I know RT boss for I know it.
No spice?
No. I have 800 people left on it. Then 600, then 500, then 300. RT boss says, so I go down. You cannot give up. You cannot give up RT boss. You need to give up. Because no one, people realize how you be. And the people will let me feel it.
Master, why you must get them mad people your clout all the time? I'm run up on Master, we can't take it. Master, we can't take it.
Anybody will say RT boss.
You funny or fat? I didn't feel like them do something.
Man talking is laughing while he's talking.
Poochie, I never see something so.
Go suck out them other.
I'm them, so in front of over there with big back bling from Benno start talking.
Damn them a go barbara you. You have to go jump.
Alright, we're going to go report our page and take it down to me. We're going to take down our page.
She come back this morning with big
Take
black.
down the page for me.
That is it. If come back him now after somebody else come and say him.
Afternoon.
What you mean? Bling that man reach out to Bling a long time.
Reach out to the woman long time. And because me talk her for your Batman friend, tell him to me still alive. No, she not
shame. She should have been fucking shame.
Please say Bula man. Please say Bula man. Say Bula man.
From him disarms the other day, she should have been come on now. And this go come out and she put, it's a lie behind him. Sick stomach.
Oh, you have to start buying him. You have to start buying him, girl, because he woke up.
But he's sending them to report my page. Why?
That's why.
Why you
take it down?
No, we're just
take it down.
Over there, watch your cheese.
Take it down.
Watch me. RT don't, guys, that's what I'm saying. Code up on an argument. You can't get code up. That's course, say Bula man. Don't use the term B man.
These couple of
Bula man.
I keep my page because he always get me every week, but not this week.
Yeah, exactly. If I'm gonna code up, you can't stay as long as ever. But from on a fumble and say the dirty words, yes, people don't like the dirty words. So people don't come out to clean.
If we over here I talk with truth, why I'm over there report the page? It's the truth. Let everybody
He will want the spotlight. So he might try to push out team spot. He might try every way to make team spot.
Hard.
See it and feel it. You know what is true?
Yo, I funniest interview me ever hear, boss. I funniest interview me ever hear. This is not real at all. Let's go.
I know I'm to Wi-Fi, man.
Sure. You know how
I hear you.
All about in a revival church because of you, me dan.
Okay.
Me already live in a community where me have to fight a bad man. Me already live in a community where man want to.
You know, sound like a madman. Analyze him.
Don't even get.
It no good.
Come add to my pressure when me already under go, brother. How you feel do that?
So when them ask him question, when him say me that look him, what age? What age that look him?
Brother, you come approach me and
Angel said when he was younger, I don't think him specify the age. I don't know what age him did say.
Me want to know film age.
Never specify the age, bossy.
Ask him how much.
Oh, you mean say don't know me?
We never ask him age.
You. Again.
Oh yeah, him did say in 2013.
No, him how much?
Yeah, but you can come across the border and come file a report. And make me a backplate out in a court if Caesar you don't want to backplate out, yes sir.
But boss, he looks so tough you can't even tell his age. He look like him about 40 or maybe early 50. I don't know.
Them say he's 42.
Okay.
Them say I'm 42 and one say I'm 37. But I don't know ya.
Alright, so what we do now?
He was up on his live. It look like I saw we are waste people.
Jamaican. Well, Jamaican, I'm going to give you a ruling. Because remember we are quote to you know. Alright. Him now. You rule him out just like you rule out the rest of them. So you rule him out 10,000 times like you rule out the next one 10,000 times. So these two are puppet. What you need to do is allow the puppet to make him talk. But sometimes he can't take it talk. It feels bad because me them try to bring down. But in other way, a puppet right now. Alright? So confirming to you as me confirming to the first one, this is a puppet. This not attached to me. This not make no sense. This is just nice, a crate. But we find a way of deal with that at a later date.
Well, Benno is a big paid puppet. We know that much.
Someone said he has a grape case over there in Canada.
Guys, good morning, everybody.
Yeah, that's what they need to do. Good morning.
All right.
He does have a grape case in Canada.
Mute, no matter play back the thing, blink on.
Yeah.
Everybody from the live in the comment section, big up on yourself. So listen to me now. You see me right now on the media, I'm gonna make something clear to you guys. Me are them best topic right now on the media. Them have to talk about me. And you see, because them, as a matter of fact, y'all see that it's evident. No. I stand with RT boss, me say, and that me say, I'm not change, I'm done talk, and una like that go chuck off up in our mother and splash up on our father. None of una can come for me. One thing me challenge on for bomber clot though. Every allegations we una put up, we need to see the proof. We the people of TikTok need proof. And all of who we talk about me and have one bag of things where Amari come out come say, we need proof. Y'all motherfuckers look dumb as fuck because we need proof of this blood clot. And the brother they were name whatever the fuck you want name. I really...
Him a cry now, Miss Blinger, because him a listen to live and him hear me mention, say him have the case over there in Canada. So the ball no one to tell him say
anybody can cuss me. I'm hot right now. Them have a blood clot cuss me forget them hype and me say them hype drop right back at ground zero. Me don't talk. People no blind. It's evident. The Queen stand with Bumbleclot, RT, and that.
The queen of TikTok.
Right, that's how Miss Blinger.
No plan about Bumbleclot that me say me stand with RT and the whole Blinganeer family stand with RT and that we say about ya.
Right, that's so.
Hear what me I say? Me I say this brawling and done. Me then go click no live for them fuckery. Who no can say what no want say that a fool no business. No one else say now make no Bumbleclot sense. Hey brother, you go talk about say you reach out to me. When did you reach out to me? And if you even reach out to me, maybe me can't see you. Peekaboo, I don't see you. You understand? Move your dibby dirty batty man blood clot and look company boy. Hear me I say, I want our T-boss me say and that me Bumbleclot say. And none of you can go around that. And I him for class, me and me for class, blood clot him. Go suck on a mother on a iron balloon can Bumbleclot bust from boy. Me don't talk. Suck on a mother.
Right, that's all. Fuck.
And that is it. They swear that she's gonna come and join the line.
Play it again, Jamaican.
Big up my boss.
Big up my general.
For me, this is somebody who have never hit me before. This is somebody who have never heard speak before.
Them a listen to the live and them hear me mention the Grape case where him having a Canada, so him a cry now. And I tell them, say him have something to tell them.
Hey, I funniest interview this never seen on the live.
Clean Poppy short to box. I can't. Them couldn't find somebody else. Them go pick up somebody who have a case. Come on.
Make sure I know him because I'm a minor. Tell me say I him. We're putting something easy for deal.
Somebody come out, hold on. Somebody come out of the box so that Central Village people can come up. One talk.
So you see when the man say it hard for deal with, let me tell you something. It wasn't even me who called the police and report. It was a friend of mine who realized I'm afraid of this person. I said to myself, what happened between you and the person?
Okay, Bling.
Why are you so afraid of the person? I open up to the person and the person, no, you have to tell the police because I can see it to affect you. And I sit down in there so I go mad. And I end up turning to a pastor man. Yeah? A doctor in theology. A professor. Because that's them type of people that me like. You understand? Me like people me can sit down and have conversation with and educate me. You understand? I know what this man will happen with this man. So I tell the man, so I get Grape. I forgot you to find details and I explain everything to him and he wants to see the person who Grape me and that I'm interested. After I answer the person, I'm going to tell me something enough to report it. Remember, this is a counselor. This is a chaplain. I don't know what a chaplain is. Somebody who works in a prison.
Are we talking about me?
No.
This is a man where me...
The last Grape when get Grape.
Make him go confront somebody who tried to rape him when he was in his 30s. I grape me off. I juice me like a wine.
I don't want to laugh, but I will say oh God,
that's what I'm juicing like a wine Tarati.
Okay, fruit.
At the little front where rape me off at gunpoint.
Grape.
Then this story should have been me. Why am I focused on him past Grape? I mean, them to talk about it. No,
then I preach him a try build
I say the man I try promote film business.
I promote him a try promoting page.
Talk like you don't know.
Well, don't figure out that for the start. Chat say a film business is my promoter.
Sympathy followers in my love.
I get peace. I get Grape and me have vomit. I get Grape and me have diarrhea. Man, I make me know something now come out of your hole.
What the man?
My God. This nice money way that the person are free.
I see them I look bad man company my boss.
Yo, this is no sir.
The man is serious.
Stop a shape. Because neurological things start to happen. Start to have panic attack. Start a shape.
Someone better be recording this.
You record it American.
Yeah, man, me record it.
The man juice me. Yeah, there.
That's a new one.
You have capacity just to the one. That's so come turn up. Right, this is the man come stand up. Make sure somebody just leave from my bedroom over there, sir, and just go to the washroom there, sir. Me could have come out for go know if we go talk about me, I go run out. I'm gonna run out, but the kid has to give me bank for go do what?
Find out him age for me. Find out him age.
Somebody said 42. Them look about 40 years.
Somebody just say 50.
And so me come talk. Think I know me that.
Right. Him say my 50 now, right? Ready?
Marty, how old are you?
Me?
Yeah. If you're 50, but you're younger, somebody than him.
Me at 30.
We're younger.
Yeah, that me I say.
Me at 37.
I said 37, so I don't know how
This is what I'm saying, and him at 50.
And him Sebastian looking.
Him for trouble you. The blood of Jesus.
The math is not matting. The math is not matting.
Dirty man here look company, my boss no shaky.
Okay.
Dirty man over there, you want to see him face when I say them juice me like him, they love it. Dirty man.
Yeah.
We're going to eat out to the mother over there.
Hey. Drunk, you're 50 years old, my boss at 37.
Commit suicide.
My boss at 37, you're 50 years old.
Walk in a car and make it lick.
Dirty boss. You touch little boy, move your dirty blood clot. Nobody not run the joke with you. My guys, give me a minute.
Go commit suicide over there. The whole house of rascal to know.
Where's your kid?
No one is going to give you a hiding place. You should know that what you did, you're supposed to be registered for in this blood clot country. We not run a joke with you because the farms are going to talk. When farms start, come see a life.
But how the man never start crying until me mention him case where him have over in Canada.
He's an actor.
RT boss, I see him so it go.
That man needs a Grammy.
Jamaica, remember
watch him.
Get good money, you know.
She's asked them to wait, you know, but he can't wait because he might forget him highlights. He might forget him highlights.
She's need a job.
It's hard for him to deal with Momo. But it's the mere fact that it's reported as him slip him slide. Make nobody
No. It's not a regular report. I need him to understand it. Some people
Majesty,
understand.
Some people make
it will never be what the word? Erased from the system.
No.
Then no, say she reported to FBI and CIA about 6 weeks ago. So I ain't not report yet.
He said she reported 6 months
ago. She said she have the paperwork, she reported to the FBI.
She can't go to the FBI and she don't have any papers herself.
None of
them stem she over there full of them other fuckery.
Jamaica and the rest of the world.
Everything them I say is just for the media. Not for the
Me say,
and I can't believe
the big old thinking tick man there, but them juice me.
Them the case that are on the media. People for really
Which is serious. Looks like a big fucking turtle.
Don't worry about blood clot that cheese. Go suck your mother pussy. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that germs. Go fix your skin. Go fix your blood clot skin. Yeah, shiver like my granny old pussy.
Buy this. Buy this.
Batman cheese.
I shed like snail.
Batman cheese.
I read. Today the 19th day of blood clot, June 2024.
Cheese, you have to send. Cheese, send the police. Them come and talk too much. Send the police. Them come and talk too much.
No, them can't do that.
Cheese, yeah, shiver up like old man body. Cheese, how it go? Are you a young girl? How it go?
Yeah.
Let me tell you this.
But some more work them again, man. So they're alright. Then go and do them.
RT, a small RT can't come in at the screen and a fool like a what? No nonsense.
No, me I hide in them mother. Me I hide in them mother.
Make him talk. Stop getting the shot.
Come on, me a clap.
Jeez, you can't chat to me now, cause the two pitney where doctor cut me and draw out of me my blood clot of them and me and mind them 100%. Where for your pitney then the germs? What the fuck you call me name for bitch? Nobody come size up with me.
Go for your father, we take away your daughter.
Where your pitney then there?
Go for your pitney from the father, nasty girl. The father take out restraining order from you.
Repent, Pastor Smith. Pastor RT.
Karababala Baba Salaba Santa in your ugly red bombo. Take it over there.
Hey.
Hey, cheese, you are Momo and the big red stinking shit bad one there. Yankee one where that no sense. What you need for do? What you need for come at the court? The whole blood clot later when I go to prison soon. At the court when you need for go suck on the woman go look job on all set a war. Uno can't bring me down a blood clot, suck on the mother, bring down on the mother, and your nasty pitney Momo we just graduate. Suck your mother.
Way I want to. I buy the lotto every day. When my blood clot get the money when I want, I'm not gonna see who need drink yard. Me not look for uno. Me not blood clot look for uno.
Make Momo make a deal with her pitney and married and give paper. Cynthia Momo want bring me down. Unite together and married her son. You ugly man looking Batman blood clot.
Number from the government. Buy my blood clot things.
Momo, remember say you sell pussy a prostitute, you know. Remember if everybody dig up your file, MC say a prostitution call by your name, you know. Momo, you don't know body, you know. Momo, remember you did want fuck me, I mean, like, you know, cause your mouth chaka, you crying in a blood clot, your pussy look like your mouth.
Need justice. We all need justice.
Everybody where you send me, I'm a seminar. Remember some born America, Itibu.
Momo, go poison yourself. You're croft. You're worthless. Stop living in your car. For your girl every day to blood clot, you're hot girl living in your car. You could have shame for the best of them over there to live in your car. Big spice of money and nasty blood clots. Come out of your car.
Been like gig. Round and round and round like go-go. You don't see that?
Tell the best of them say the last man you're there with dead. Tell the best of them say the last 3 man them when you're taking your pussy, them dead. Why you not talk about that? Why you not give them your file? Since you know over there, give who the file no. Tell them say me name Momo and a 3 man me have with when me fuck and dead. The last one dead off of the bike. Why you not tell the people about your pussy file, Momo? It's a funeral under you.
One Shirley, you never over there blood clot, Momo. Are you the dirty, raggedy, level dusty 7 over there?
Momo, remember your prostitutes coming in the 80s. All from me tired of foreign a prostitute and you are the big red one though. You can't set me up, set up on the mother.
Yeah. Listen, stop ignoring the fact we're talking about the little boy bottom. The little boy bottom where you took 10 years ago, dirty boy over blood clot. Queens, New York, over Jamaica Avenue.
You said alive, I'm mad. You have 3 people up here right now where I'm mad. You're out and that's a fact.
You can't mad me a blood clot. You're ugly and cranny. You favor crocobet to bomb clot. You can't mad nobody. The best of your life is when I buy good blood clot ear and clothes gear. Girl, you can't chat to me, suck your mama. The best you ever look to pussy clot. I go post. The best you ever look at when me dress you up. Good girl, move your blood clot. A history me give you. When I put you in a clothes, you know clothes waist girl. The girl, people, she come at my party and then she reach in her car. Me have to get her the clothes to change. Pussy, you know nothing about me, idiot girl. True me no fuck you. You all crow bait. You stink no blood clot. You look like a pampas. You look like them blood clot bullfrog in a car front.
Nobody I tell people about me. I've discharged the process. prostitution, drug deal, all one bag of something.
But I don't like that. Me challenge you. Pull your file, big idiot girl. Show them say you're a prostitute. You sell pussy from in the 80s. Me see that on your file. Me not hacks your girl. Me do background check for you. You know nobody. A 13 charge you have. Uno go look her up. She name Monique Palmer. 13 charge. She nobody.
Talk to me, me hear things. But I come out here and use people.
A 13. Answer to your 13 illegal charge, so you're there foreign. That you have answer to. Criminal can come for criminal, your blood clot. That's why I not look for you know. Because you can go police station, she's can go police station, she's a thief, you a criminal. So how the fuck criminal are going to go to police? That's why all know the police can come because police not entertain no whole criminal.
Listen out, Ewa Momo.
Check the Russia. You a thief. She's a thief, you a prostitute, you a scammer. So tell me how that makes sense. How a police are going to take information from two credible criminals?
Emotional damage.
Two credible criminals. Uno go look work, uno work this blood clot, uno destruction to America.
I rate a black Momo, Simone.
I rate a black that bitch now.
You see it? Look. One time I walk my mouth and I have the whole of confused over there. You see, so you don't snub blood clot and me I drive you no have to talk about me. You supposed to talk about me on a big bumbo. You supposed to talk because of spirituality me do. People have booked me on a nasty ass. You supposed to talk. You see Spice now look for you. Yes, all you not talk and Spice no count. The cloth is just for me and Spice. Just for me and Spice. You go come off of the live and go beard on a sour pussy. You kill this girl. Listen, you know what is family start fire shot over there, then quiet. Them turn idiot. The three prostitute, but them a record me. But want to know all three criminal. Jamaican people and American people. All three criminal say I go report criminal. Explain, do the maths to me. She have 13 charge and from cheese jump fence in my teeth. So all two criminal I go report criminal. Make it make sense to me, no?
Tell him right.
Make it make sense.
Don't tell.
Send your naked picture for rob me.
Make it make sense. Momo, you ugly and stay bad. You look like a blood clad fraggy. Miss Fraggy. Me not call you no Momo. Me call you Kerbit.
Isha.
You feel a blood clad frag.
Me never know how we give me 5 minutes must cuss.
Because I don't know you are company. From every day you say you want boss and 20 people are follow you. You nasty girl. You come go like you're somebody you're driving an Uber and I talk about, oh, me so good. You should have sure from the time you're so good to blood clot, your throat no get nothing. You are talk about you are the greatest goat throat of blood clot and you're living in your car. Girl, you should have afraid to talk about your throat and your throat now again. That's why your pussy do you so. That's why your pussy left you and make man stop take you and make your throat a destroy you. You take too much cocky in your throat, girl. That's why you can't talk good. You notice when you're over there, you can't open your good mouth. Too much cocky in your mouth. Sperms bust up in your back of your throat, girl. You sound bad crab out. Nasty blood clot germs.
And that you must do, lick me with the car. Ask the mango, lick me blood clot for me insurance high.
Wanna stop playing me over there, wanna nasty blood clot. This termite looking, pigeon looking blood clot, ugly girl. Girl look crying in a blood clot, she look like Spice soulmate. This blood clot, ugly looking, alien looking, creature looking girl. The best time of her life I when me put on a red wig pan her and a white hair. And you want come for me, to bring me down to you want fuck me. Me no fuck. What the word? Queenie, come na Queenie. Crazy never level. Fuck fragile.
If you're over here, just talk on the story. Or if anybody else get hurt, talk on the story, please. We not, you feel me? We not here to bash you.
Red girl, you know no story over there. Go look walk. You big and stay, but the man will breed you and run left you. That you go do. Look a father. Big old girl.
Dirty mellow that bossy, a dirty mellow.
Me know stay by
that big hog. That big sour hog. Dirty stinking mellow.
The one thing mellow have over Amari is that Amari have more Lego fat. You know them Lego something that Amari have? She win Mellow in that. Mellow going like her body stay good. Mellow coming like a jello to blood clot. That's why they call Mellow, watch it. Mellow, jello. Mellow, jello. She said anytime she see me or she eat me.
I'm gonna
tell me if them a play me over there, cause I don't want to waste my cousin, you know. Tell me if them a play me over there.
Let me stop playing your bossy.
Eh?
Them stop play you, them not listen again. No?
Because they can't manage to eat, so it's show done then.
As long as he sees it.
Them are careless people. They can't argue with me. This is a very long time for them. I waste time for them there. Mellow shape bad, no blood clot. I'm married.
That's it, them a play you, but them a play in the background.
Mellow, your shape bad. The house of blood clot. Big up the house of blood clot over there. House of careless of Ross. Uno house of nasty blood clot. Uno house of serpent. Uno over there. Uno house of Israelite looking Israel Africa deported. White man no member uno a blood clot. Savory looking people. Wagwan.
The recordings of Benno talking. And tell him that he wants.
That girl stop twang, cause you know nobody, because when you're so good, you have to open your mouth wide. Speak, girl, make me hear you. Take the cocky out of your throat, Momo. You sound soddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna call him, tell him I'm sorry, you know, but we need to do, or you need to go down. Yeah.
Tell your mother to go down.
Over IG.
Tell your mother to go down if she can't go down with you.
I think him feel no way when we are talking. I'm just scared.
Nah, name Kizzy. I wish Kizzy this.
Yeah, me get phone calls say about me pay off the boy and the boy me pay off the boy. Every minute them change the story. I was say me pay off the boy, so the boy no want come. Momo go suck your mother.
If you want me to promote him, I'll be a business.
What that you not do? Now promote what a business member. What uno do? Well, alright, uno three. Alright, uno three criminal. What uno do? All uno do is walk and thief and sell fuck. So. Me, the pan media, I do reading. What you do pan the media? Walk and trouble people. So say, you don't make sense. You don't profit out of this.
I didn't face. Somebody over there asked why my...
See them say hide your face.
I'm supposed to hide my face because 3 criminals look for me and I hide. I wait for police.
My real face.
I'm supposed to hide my face. 3 criminals look for me, so I'm waiting for the police. I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm supposed to hide my face because criminal out there run the race.
Oh, them a report. We the auntie, why not do this? Yes, no, not making no inner roar something that make auntie cry over the car. Not going over here.
Next year, since you're listening, dirty man, when Pastor Smith over there go on bad,
all of the people them over there, no come over here because them creature they not at. Come tell you about them file. Them don't know how to talk. No come over here, so come and go na atward. Them creature they don't make sense. Them worthless.
Yes.
They don't need to depend on the media. Them for go in a comment. Right. Them the 3 criminal there a comment section.
And you, that the dirty boy do it. Dirty boy do it. My distract because no one will hear me, you know. Yeah.
You know what people they find
everybody mute and make me no finish talk. No distraction.
Sorry, we're up to your
every time they put him back by the highlight, he start crying.
I just the idiot man there. Oi. Mr. Claffy, them could Bruno, yes, thank you. Bruno, them could hire difference money. Oh, them buy a idiot like you for come chat for free. All family like you, me take back their money. You know, in a sense, brother.
Sorry, but we're up to
you. Good man. Right now you have a support system. Right now you have a support system. I'm a product.
What kind of support system? 3 criminal?
That's why
but we can't get this together, you know. You have 3 criminals. Take out
some criminal to
Miss Sweet. Hey.
No, me just can't get it.
Everything I'm saying, me not stop talk. People been calling me liar for weeks.
I know what's the show.
But bossy, I think they will say him get you approach him in 2010 and then he moved to 2013. For them story keep changing. We don't have time for that.
I be an idiot round there, so. You have one bunch of assholes them have pack up over there. Play them, let me hear them because I feel like I today for them there.
But the man the over there skin off in teeth while I go know him a ball again. What the fuck?
Right. As they call him name and say them need him for talk now. Give Ben on the floor, he start crying.
A fake ball. A fake ball. A fake blood clot ball.
Call him and tell him I call him. When you tag him and say RT say if you come over him live.
So where this Benna person is, he's in Canada or Jamaica?
Born, when name Born, call Born. Tell him say RT call him. You go over go text say Born, RT say if you come upon him live, we can talk to him. Oh, Saraskla, outlist people. You know, send him come.
Yeah.
You know, just hold it. Nobody over here now crucify you.
That's better. I Canada in there.
Understand, say you bringing it up back like.
Thank you.
And stuff like that, but you know, I said, when you alone.
I'll charge him for rape too.
Alright, so the people in my list of theme story, because I know it break up. Somehow not over there. Alright, so I'm going to ask you a question. I want everybody to be real. Alright, no bias. I want to split justice. We want to split justice. Hold on, based on bone story. You no believe? Anybody believe?
Believe me, Ross? Believe what?
Comment.
I see how we could break you down.
Let me talk to no comment. Benno is 50 years old and the boss is 37. How the fuck that possible?
Making up your mere idiot. Mere idiot. Me not understand.
That can never be possible.
Bossy,
man, I tell them to go to
in
police.
2010 you'd have been what? You'd have been about, in 2010 you'd have been about 19.
Yeah, he might get anxiety. I'll when him a smile, you know, nervous.
Yo, they're fool.
Let me go and hear them, because me real. You know, say me say this before you play them back. When I say family, before you play them back, let me say something to my fans them. I want to get that part here now on the head, fans. You know, say all I go and hear the story. We look on it one time, but I not really meds them. Like, you know, since me ignore them. Like, you realize no. Me I entertain Momo and Cheese where me they run from. I wonder if you not watch, you know. When you realize say me class them and me run from them and you notice me I challenge them now.
Yeah.
You notice that?
Yep.
When I read me. Okay. Alright, just go and read. Just want to read.
And they like them I get afraid of the challenge.
Cheese mute.
No.
Because based on what Bona say, that's definition of character this again, right? Yes, sir.
Yes, bossy.
The
Yes,
definition
yes.
of character, no
Yes, definition of character.
The cheese, spice that Momo carry.
Yep. 3 of them carry, boss.
Okay, I just want to remember the story.
And the 3 of them carry. So we have recordings too.
I'm so much peep. I can call like.
One thing I can tell you, this is an interested show. Me can't wait to see the outcome.
This a party, that the party there, and people look up to them so much, and it hurts every time that you can't say stuff because people